The basic function of heart valves is to open and close in response to pressure changes in the heart as it contracts and relaxes. There are 4 valves which ensure that blood flows one way, and by opening to let blood pass and closing to prevent backflow. The atrioventricular or AV valve is located between the atrium and ventricle. When the ventricles are relaxed, the blood moves from a higher pressure in the atria to a lower pressure in the ventricles through the open AV valves. When the ventricles contract, the pressure of the blood drives the cusps upward until their edges meet and close the opening. At the same time, the chordae tendineae tightens and prevents the valve's cusp from opening into the atria in response to the high ventricular pressure. Damage to this part or the valves could cause regurgitation of blood back into the atria. The semilunar valves, which are aortic or pulmonary valves, are made up of 3 crescent moon-shaped cusps. Semilunar valves allow ejection of blood from the heart into the arteries and prevents backflow into the ventricles. These valves open when pressure in the ventricles exceeds the pressure in the arteries and eject blood from the ventricles into the pulmonary trunk and aorta. When the ventricles relax, blood flows back towards the heart, causing the valves to close. There are no valves between the vena cava and right atrium, or the pulmonary veins and left atrium. However, the atrial muscle contractions do prevent backflow. And I'm going to be posting another YouTube video that I found to be just kind of creepy, but almost a little bit interesting, just showing the heart with its valves and the motion that it goes through when it's beating.